Alright, let's talk about the little lies you tell yourself. You know the ones. I'm not smart enough. I'll never be successful. I don't deserve this. Sound familiar? Yeah, I thought so. These are what we call limiting beliefs, those sneaky little thoughts that sit in the back of your brain like a grumpy old gremlin, whispering, you can't do it. And the worst part, you actually believe them. But here's the truth. Those beliefs are about as real as my childhood dream of becoming a ninja. Spoiler alert, I am not a ninja. So why do we do this to ourselves? Well, our brains are like overprotective parents. They'd rather keep us safe and miserable than risk us failing and growing. It's like your brain says, hey, remember that time you embarrassed yourself in front of everyone? Let's never do anything ever again. Thanks, brain. Super helpful. But here's the good news. Limiting beliefs are just habits of thought. And habits can be broken. Imagine your mind is a garden. Right now, it's probably full of weeds, I'm not good enough, and maybe a few sad-looking flowers. But you can rip out those weeds and plant some new, better beliefs. How? Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Spot the lie. You've got to catch those limiting beliefs in action. Next time you think, I could never start my own business, or I'll always be bad at public speaking, pause and ask yourself, is this actually true? Or is this just my brain being dramatic? Write it down, say it out loud. Sometimes hearing your own nonsense is enough to realize how ridiculous it sounds. Step 2. Challenge it like a detective. Let's say your limiting belief is I'm terrible with money. Okay, prove it. Where's the evidence? Sure, maybe you've made a few mistakes, who hasn't, but does that mean you're doomed forever? No, find counterexamples, times you did handle money well, even if it's just that one time you resisted buying that overpriced latte. Progress is progress. Step 3. Replace it with something better. Instead of I'm terrible with money, try I'm learning to be smarter with money. See the difference? One keeps you stuck, the other puts you in control. Your brain loves repetition, so the more you feed it better thoughts, the more it'll start believing them. Now, here's your call to action. Today, I want you to catch one limiting belief. Just one. The next time you hear that gremlin whisper, you can't, I want you to talk back. Say, oh yeah, watch me. And then take one tiny step, just one, to prove it wrong. Comment below with the belief you're kicking to the curb, I'll wait. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You are the person who challenges them. So stop letting those old, crusty beliefs run the show. You've got way more potential than you think. And hey, if you liked this video, smash that subscribe button, because you deserve more content that helps you grow, not holds you back. Now go out there and prove yourself wrong in the best way possible. You've got this.